In this video, solution to the problem number 57 uploaded on this channel on 4th January of 2021 will be discussed. This is also the right time to mention that this problem is of same type as the problem number 55 uploaded on this channel on 2nd January of 2021. And that problem, that is problem number 55, was from the question paper of entrance test of the year 2015 conducted by the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, abbreviated as the TIFR, for admission to their esteemed institute. In this case, understandably, the solution should start from the supplied data and the related procedure is initiated through equation number 1 and 2. So for the time being, please pay attention to equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now, as mentioned on the board, n, small n, is equal to number of independent trials, which is equal to 50. This point is mentioned on the board. Please look at that. So, using these in equation 1, P is equal to 25 by 50 equal to half, which is expressed in the form of equation 3. And further, equation 2 divided by equation 1 gives Q equal to 12.5 by 25 equal to half, which is equation 4. Equation 3 and equation 4 might be small equations, but they have plenty of relevance and importance for the problem. So please pay attention to those two equations, equations 3 and 4. Now, it must be remembered that in the question it is mentioned that probability of 1 or less than 1 failure is to be found. Please see this important fact written on the board. According to the question, probability of 1 or less than 1 failure is to be found. So alternatively, probability of 49 successes or more is to be found. I repeat, alternatively, probability of 49 successes or more is to be found. But a binomial distribution with r successes out of n independent trials, with success and failure in each event having a finite probability p and q, is represented as in equation 5. Equation 5 is the backbone corresponding to this problem. So please look at equation 5 very carefully, where, as written on the board, n equal to number of independent trials, which as already mentioned is equal to 50 in this case. P equal to probability of success equal to half. Q is also equal to half, which is probability of failure. I repeat this point again. Q is also equal to half, which is probability of failure. While R is equal to 49 in one case and 50 in another. Using this information, the probability is calculated as shown in equation 6. It goes without saying that equation 6 is the last equation corresponding to this problem, the longest one and the most important one. So please look at equation 6 with great deal of care and importance, and as you can see from that, the final answer comes out to be 51 divided by 2 to the power of 50. So from these very clearly, option A is correct. I repeat this point again, option A is correct. So I hope that the solution is clear to everyone after watching this video. Thanks for watching this video.